Okay, the LFA, as you know, Zlatko, was launched last year. The essence behind the LFA for us, we believe, is the continuous pursuit of perfection. So the LFA is really a culmination of 10 years of engineering, design, technology, perfection, culminated in a vehicle. So that for us is the purpose of the LFA, is to really, of course there's image involved as well. It's very powerful. It's an incredibly successful launch. We know that it's been successful because the production line is extended out to 2013. But more than the image, it's really about the essence of Lexus, which is the continuous pursuit of perfection. Well, as you know, the LFA, it's a limited edition, so there's 500 vehicles worldwide. It depends on demand here as to how many vehicles will be sold in total. But Lexus's focus is not on the LFA. The LFA is really about design and understanding and sort of getting a better understanding into how technology can work in the vehicles rather than invading the supercar market. Well, it's been phenomenal. We know that because we've got orders extending out to 2013 production. So the interest and the demand is there. Yeah, so Lexus, and 2012 is really a bumpy year for Lexus. We are launching 5 new or updated vehicles in the year of 2012. That's a very aggressive strategy from an automotive maker. There's very few companies that will launch 5 new or updated vehicles in a single year. So we believe our product lineup is a very strong strategic advantage. The second area that we believe we have strong strategic advantage is in hybrid. Hybrid is an area where Lexus uses the Lexus hybrid drive, gives incredible power to the engine, and we use what we call the yet philosophy, which is trying to join 2 opposites together. So we have the hybrid drive, which would normally be used for one thing, but Lexus uses it in addition to get extreme power. The classic example of that, Zlatko, is when you look at the GS. If you have a look at the GS 450, which is a hybrid vehicle, it's actually a V6 engine and a 3.5 litre V6 engine. With the hybrid drive involved, you actually get the power and the drive that you would get on a V8 engine. So the current GS 460 will have a 322 horsepower. The new hybrid, which is a V6 3.5 litre engine with Lexus hybrid drive, has 343 horsepower. So that's one of our competitive advantages. So yes, we think that this market is absolutely ready. It's part of our strategy, and we're really looking forward to seeing how this works.
The new GS, is driving the new face of Lexus. That new face of Lexus is actually going in 3 directions. One direction is about driving feelings. The second direction is about the exterior, aggressive and sharp exterior. And the third direction is about interior that catch emotions for the driver. New GS coming with 12.3-inch screen, which is the biggest in all its above its competitors. The second feature which comes in this car is an 18-way adjustable seat for the driver and the passenger, and this is one of the most advanced among the competitors. Third option where we have in this car is the auto high beam. It shows a respect and safety to the other drivers. This function, if you are driving on highway and there is no one in the approach of the senses of the car, then automatically the light goes to the high beam. And once the car is approaching, then it goes automatically to the low beam, which shows respect to the other drivers. One of the good features in this car also is, we call it the second generation touch screen in this car, because now we have moved from first generation to second generation. Another advanced feature in this car is, we call it the eye detect system. This eye detect system, it prevents, it's a safety feature actually, if the drivers close his eyes or fell asleep a little bit, then automatically the brachial system activates and it slows down the cars. So this is one of the good features that's coming in the car. Plus we are going to have it in 6 interior color, which is the first coming in Lexus. In the following 2 years, we have next year in 2012 5 new products, completely new or updated, and then the coming 2013 is completing that with additional 4, so it's going to be like 9 new products coming in the coming 2 years.